What's up, gang? This is John coming at you from Wheeler Motor first, and this is a huge bombshell in the world of, I guess, trials and electric trials bikes, which we here at Wheeler Motors is all about. Now, what you're looking at, yes, is a electric Honda trials bike, powered not only the Takahashi Fujinami, the former Montesa trials rider, partner to Tony Bull. Now he is the, I believe he's like the team manager for the trials section for Repsol HRC Honda. And take a look at this bike, guys. This is amazing. Not only do you see similar features as far as, a transmission here, and actually what we will do is we'll actually go into this feature here. And you see, this is the transmission here. You have your motor. You actually have your clutch, which is easily accessible, which is nice, standard of a regular trials bike. But you also have the battery. And look at this battery, guys. This battery is pretty huge. It actually looks like it spans the entire width of the frame, which is quite wide, meaning you're probably going to get a decent amount of battery. I would say at least maybe 3 or 4 cells wide from end to end, and whatever it is top to bottom. So you should pack a decent amount of power with this battery. Now, of course, we're gonna go up here. You have your clutch, like normal, of course, with your drivetrain. You have your throttle. That looks like a domino throttle, if I'm not mistaken. So typical to what Electric Motion has as well. Of course, Honda, you gotta rep the Showa forks with that nice rainbow coating. That looks awesome. Brake tech caliper. And then as you get to the back, I'm not exactly sure how they rock this. Now, it seems like the frame and the swing arm are remnants of old design. It doesn't look like it's a brand new design frame. It looks like, actually, it looks like an old trials bike that they put an electric motor in. But what is interesting about this, and I'll go into the next photo here also, is that you don't not only get a clutch, but it seems as if you also get a shifter. Now, this is super cool because we all know that Electric Motion has come out with a 4-speed transmission on their bike, and this is basically to match that. I guess in the competition, Yamaha has a trials bike out there, electric, that you've all seen, of course, but they don't have gears, to my knowledge. It's still a standard. It's a clutch, but there's no gearing to it. This dynamic with the battery being here in the front, and what looks like to be a big motor and drivetrain here, I'm curious as to know what the weight on the bike will be. But of course, this seems to be a prototype. Who knows when we will actually get the bike that we are looking at here for, I guess, sale in the US or even in Europe or Japan. But it's very exciting to know that other companies, Yamaha, Electric Motion, Honda right now, are looking into electric trials bikes, which, I'm not really all about the electric stuff necessarily, but I like the progression of how they're moving into trials, and other companies are seeing the value in electric mobility and the new stuff that they offer. So with that, guys, thanks for tuning in. Check out my page for other content on Electric Motion, the new Escape X, and we will keep you up to date on this Honda as it shows up in competitions, and we'll just repost that. So aloha, gang. Thank you.